you much.
Hey everyone, Awesomer Kids here, and today it looks like Mr. Play-Doh Head is joining us again. What's up, Mr. Play-Doh Head? Hey, Awesomer Kids. I have quite the sweet tooth today. Do you have any candy you can feed me? Yes, we do. We have plenty of treats in our gumball machine. It's filled with delicious gumballs, and we can learn colors too. Let's check it out. Here's the gumball tower. Check out all those colorful gumballs. When I turn this knob, a gumball will come spiraling down. Let's get started. It's a green gumball. Whoa, wrong way. Let's try that again. Much better. Here's a purple gumball. Here's a yellow one. Oh my gosh, what's up with these gumballs? Let's try getting one of each color. Nice! This time we got an orange one. Here's a red one. Another yellow. Blue. We got green again. Another blue. Another orange. Blue again. Another yellow. Come on. Yes, we got pink. All right, so let's check out each gumball one more time. We got green, purple, yellow, orange, red, yellow, blue, green, blue, orange, blue, yellow, and pink. All right, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Since all the different colored gumballs came out, let's start by feeding you the green gumball. Here it is. Enjoy. Wait. One gumball is not enough for me. Oh, I forgot you had a big appetite. Oh, how about we use the magic microwave? I'm sure it can make more gumballs for us. We'll put the green gumball in this green bowl, and let's see what the magic microwave can do. Oh, it looks pretty good. Yes! The magic microwave transformed one gumball into a bowl full of gumballs. Okay, Mr. Play-Doh Head, it's time to eat. Mr. Play-Doh Head, we have a problem. You have a green tooth. I don't care. Just keep feeding me gumballs, please. All right. Then the next colored gumball we'll be feeding you is purple. Let's put the purple gumball into this purple bowl, and we'll let the magic microwave do its thing. Awesome! We have a bunch of purple gumballs now. Are you ready for more sweets? Here comes the purple gumballs. Yikes! You have a purple tooth now, Mr. Play-Doh Head. It's okay. More gumballs, please. Alrighty. Now let's feed Mr. Play-Doh Head orange gumballs. We're going to need the magic microwave's help to make more. Thank you, magic microwave. Fresh orange gumballs hot out of the microwave. Here you go. Well, now Mr. Play-Doh Head has an orange tooth. So yummy! More gumballs, please. Okay. Now let's feed Mr. Play-Doh Head red gumballs. We'll use a pink bowl this time. Awesome! We have a bowl full of red gumballs. All right, Mr. Play-Doh Head, are you ready for some red gumballs? Uh-oh. Now he has a red tooth up top. I would like more gumballs, please. You got it. Now we'll give you yellow gumballs. Let's transform one gumball into many. Yes! Now we have a bunch of yellow gumballs. Time to feed Mr. Play-Doh Head. Mr. Play-Doh Head's got some colorful teeth. Now he has a yellow tooth. More gumballs, please. We got 2 more colors. Now we'll feed you blue gumballs. Let's make more blue ones using the magic microwave. And here's a bowl full of blue gumballs. More gumballs for Mr. Play-Doh Head. Here you go. Now Mr. Play-Doh Head has a blue tooth. Can I get more gumballs, please? We have one more color. We'll feed you pink gumballs. Let's make more. Great job, Magic Microwave. Thanks for helping us out today. Okay, Mr. Play-Doh Head, this is the last bowl. Check it out! He got a pink tooth. Thank you for feeding me. The gumballs were delicious. Mr. Play-Doh Head, are your teeth okay? Well, they do kind of hurt a little bit. Yeah, I think your teeth went bad after eating so many gumballs. Let's take you to the dentist right away. Alright, we're going to remove all the colored teeth with a drill, but let's play the color matching game while we fix his teeth. So the first color is red. Is this red? This is purple. How about this? This is blue. Then this? This is white. Then... Yes! We found the red tooth! We got the red tooth out of Mr. Play-Doh Head's mouth. Let's replace it with a new tooth. Perfect! Alright. Is this orange? This is pink. How about this? This is green. Then this? Yes! We found the orange tooth! Now that the orange tooth is out, let's insert a brand new tooth. There we go! Next up, is this yellow? This is green. How about this one? This one's blue. Is it this? Yes! We found the yellow tooth! We got the yellow tooth out. Now let's replace it. Awesome! Okay, is this green? This is pink. How about this? This is purple. Then this? Yes! We found the green tooth! Now that we got the green tooth out, let's give Mr. Play-Doh Head a brand new tooth. Alright, is this blue? This is purple. How about this? This is pink. Is this blue? Yes, it is! Alright, let's replace this blue tooth with a white tooth. Moving on. Is this purple? We found the purple tooth right away. Nice! So long, purple tooth. Here comes a brand new white tooth. So this must be the color pink. Yep, it is. This is the last tooth we'll be replacing. Alright, Mr. Play-Doh Head, you're good as new. Thank you so much for fixing my teeth, even after I said I didn't care. You're the best. No problem, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Come back anytime. We'll fix you right up.
Inscreva-se no canal.